Okay, so let's say we have the following graph here. So what would the domain and range be? Since the graph goes on infinitely, both sides shown by these arrows, the domain would be infinity is less than x, which is less than infinity. And the range would, or also known as all real numbers, and the range would be infinity is less than y, which is less than infinity, or also known as all real numbers. So this graph would be infinity on the domain and range, or all real numbers, since it goes on forever, since as indicated by the arrows. Okay, so here we have another example where there's an endpoint right here, and then it goes on forever. So in this scenario, since there's an endpoint and the bottom dot is filled, the domain would be 2, since it's 1, 2, is less than or equal to x, which is less than infinity. And then the range would be, since it's 1 is less than or equal to y, which is less than infinity. Okay, so since this is a closed dot, it would be less than or equal to. If this was an open dot right here, then it would just be less than. So that's how you would solve for domain and range of a linear function. If this helped you, subscribe and like the video. And yeah.